Death is still a mysterious and unknown subject for all of us. We see it often in our favorite films and books, but what's the real scoop on it? Here are 5 surprising facts about death you would have never guessed. 1. When a person dies, their hearing is the last sense to go. Although not scientifically proven, Zachary Pallas, a medical director, believes that hearing is the last sense to go when we die. He states that when death seems near, family and friends always share their last thoughts. Although it becomes clear that blood pressure is dropping and the person is fading out, we often believe they can still hear what we're saying. 2. You can't actually die of old age. You've probably heard this many times, but you can't actually die because you're getting old. Instead, people often die from inactivity or disease that comes with aging. As far as records show, old age hasn't been scientifically recognized as a direct cause of death. 3. People see a white light at the end of the tunnel before they die. Give us a thumbs up if you always thought movies only did this to be dramatic. But this is actually true. David Hovda from the UCLA Brain Injury Research Center says that most of your regions in your brain shut down right before it's time to go, making it hard for you to process things visually. This is why it's only possible for people to see a white light and nothing else. 4. Out-of-body experiences are common in near-death cases. Researchers in Switzerland can explain this. Apparently, when you have a near-death experience, it causes the right side of your brain to be stimulated, giving you those sixth sense vibes. It can feel so intense that you may get the sensation that your body is floating in space. 5. Facing death will give you transformational potential. We understand that death is scary for many of us, but our attitudes towards death can play a big role on our transformational potential. Dr. Stephen Taylor says that when we face death directly and accept it for what it is, we can surpass our anxieties and live our lives to the fullest. Which of these facts did you find most intriguing? Do you have anything else to share about death? Please share your thoughts with us below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and share this video with others. With your help, we can reach more people and provide our support. Thanks for watching.